Okay, so I've got this font here, which I downloaded into Embrilliance. Now, let me delete all of this, right? And I'll show you how I did it. So basically, I went up to this little letter here, A, and I've already got Farmhouse Lemonade selected, which is down here, okay? Here, I've got a drop-down list of all the fonts that I have, all right? So we've got Farmhouse Lemonade. And now I'm going to go over to this box, text box here, go over there, and then I'm going to type in my chosen words, which is kick me, okay? And now I want to bring these a little bit closer. Now I can go down here and bring this one in here a little bit, and it will bring them together like that. So bring them a little bit closer there, that's fine. And then I can do them separately. So I could bring that one there, click on the green and just bring it over slightly. They're okay, right. So now what I want to do, because the way it's going in my hoop, I want it to be flipped around the other way. So if I select it all, there's a little blue nodule here. I can twist it around like so. And now I want to bring it as far over this way. I want it about there. Okay. There. So now that's ready to go on to my USB. So I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to bring down Save Stitch File As, but I haven't got my USB in. So I'm going to pop my USB in. Okay, USB is in, so Save Stitch File As. It's already connected to my USB drive D, and I'm going to call it Kick. Enter. So that's on my USB now, okay? So take the USB out, and that's all ready for my machine. Okay, so I'll cross that off. Right, now I want to go up to this button here, Files, okay? And there's a little arrow up here, so I'm going to go onto that, and then again, and then you've got this here, then down here you've got 1 to 3. Now, normally when I go along, there we go, I've got designs in here. Where are we? Here, Kick. Let's put that one in. There we go. So there is my design, all ready to be stitched out. Okay. Okay, so we have our hoop. I'm just going to make sure there's enough play there so we can get our other hoop inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to float my stabiliser. So here we have a standard pair of tracksuit bottoms, all right, unbeknown to my husband. I'm going to pop the hoop in, because of the way I've got my design on my computer. I'm going to hop the hoop in so that the top there, clipping bit's facing the top opening. So it's easier for me to flip it over. I'm going to pop it in about there on one butt cheek. So about there. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just lay this in here. Okay, like that. Do the screw up down here. So just carefully put your hand down and tighten that screw. Now I might need to get the little flathead screwdriver. So I'm going to tighten that screw there. Okay, so we'll make sure that's nice and tight. That seems okay. So there we have it. Okay, there is your tracksuit bottoms hooped. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently pull that down over and around, alright, so because we don't want none of this on the back. So pop that over there and over there. So there we go, there's the back, and there is the front, alright, or the back actually of your joggies, but we're going to embroider just about here. So I'm going to pop that onto the machine like this, alright. Now I could choose to clip some of these back, but it's pretty solid and sturdy like that, and I'm only going to be doing, you know, an embroidery just here, so it shouldn't interfere with it. So we'll pop that on the machine. Okay, like that. Bring that over here, and like so. Alright, so now I want to put some stabiliser in here. Okay, so I've got a piece of stabiliser. It's not massive, I don't need it too big, as long as it fits where I want my design. And I'm just going to lay it under here. Okay, and just lay it flat underneath. There, that's how I'm going to do it. So we're all ready. So all I've got to do now is pop that down and everything should be done. So that stabiliser should actually be picked up by the needle anyway. So here we go. Stabiliser caught quite well. You can actually, to avoid using so much stabiliser, providing you place it in the correct place, then you don't need to waste so much stabiliser by hooping it. You can in fact just, you know, stick some to the back of your clothing, your item of clothing. So anyway, we're going to take that off because that's a tear away. Alright, and we're going to take it out the hoop. Should just pop out. Right, there we go. Take that piece out there. Let's see what we've got. Okay, there's the front, nothing, and there's the back, which is actually ideal. My husband doesn't know. Maybe he might put them on without knowing as well. So yeah, that worked out pretty well. So there we go. Look at that look. Yeah, so when he puts them on, hopefully he'll put them on without knowing that it's on there. You never know. If I fold them up, right, so when he goes to chuck them on, he will put them on, and yeah, the placement's pretty spot on as well. So I'm really pleased with that. There we go. It's an old pair anyway. I'm sure he won't mind. There. Look at that look. Just a bit of fun. There. And it's so easy. You know, I've only got the Janome Memory Craft 400E, and you know, to be able to stitch that onto a big pair of men's jogging bottoms is not bad, is it really? And it was so easy to put it in the hoop as well. So there we go. It's upside down. There. Well anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. There were a few little tips and tricks there. For more tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.